Annie, I've said before many times, she and I are so much alike because she's old, she's faded, she's dinged, she's dented, she's rusted. But you know what? She keeps running. I bought my car in December of 1966 at Econo Motors in Riverside. She is so cute, and I can't tell you how many times people stop me to either ask me if she's for sale. So I tell them I'll add your name to the list. People had asked me, would you have a name for your car? And it just came to me one day. My car is very personal to me because, number one, we've been together for so long. And if you think about 51 years of my life, you think about all the experiences I've had. She's been with me through everything. Marriage, divorce, a new companion. I can remember coming back from chemotherapy and being stuck on, the merge on 5805 coming north and just leaning my head on her, my elbow on her. I mean, I see her through my eyes. She looks awful, but her guts, the inside of her, she's strong, she's reliable, and she's been very, very good to me. I mean, think about it. How many people have a car for almost 51 years? Isn't that amazing? And as long as I take as good care of her as I can, she's going to continue to run. I'll bet you, if you took good care of her, she would probably outlast me. I can't even believe that this is happening. I did a clip with Anna Lake News last December when Annie turned 50, and I got a phone call telling me that Volkswagen is going to take my car to Puebla, Mexico, and they're going to restore her mechanically, and that she's going to come back so that maybe she can run another 50 years. It's a gift to me from Volkswagen. It seems ridiculous. She's a car, but it makes me really emotional. I mean, she's like, she's not a part of me, but she's an extension of me.
My name is Augusto Zamudio. I work for Volkswagen of Mexico. I am a mechatronic engineer. I've been waiting this moment. I have the opportunity to build my dream car. I feel too much compatibility with her because I have the same model year Beetle, and I feel a connection with her heart. And she has the heart with Annie, and I have my heart with my Beetle. What can I say? Caitlin, I hope you really enjoy this car. Please take care of her, and she's gonna take care of you.
I hear her. Oh, she sounds so good. This is what I dreamed of, but I had no idea she would look this good. I mean, let's say that on a scale of 1 to 10, I wanted a 10. This is like a 25. She's just so beautiful. She's so beautiful. The paint, the color is perfect. The chrome, all the beautiful chrome, and it's real chrome. And then I noticed that they completely redid the seats. The entire interior has been redone, including the headliner. Everything is fantastic. I've noticed so many things. I mean, how do you thank somebody for this? Really, how do you really thank somebody for such a beautiful gift? I'm beside myself, I really am. And I'm so grateful. I just wish that my arms were big enough to hug Oliver. Oh, thank you.